What's going on, guys? It's Tyler, Clean Cut Lawns. Hope you're all doing well. If you haven't been to this channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button. Today I just want to do a unboxing video and maybe show it to you in use a little bit, but on the Echo hand pruning saw right here. This is DHS-3006, 3006, however you want to word it, but it's got a 6-inch bar on it, and it is the 56-volt battery. So let's do an unboxing, and if the battery is charged a little bit, then we'll use it on something around here. So in the box, retail price on this is $250, I believe, and I think they have it at Home Depot and probably your local dealer. But they have a 2.5 amp hour battery in the box, and the most important part, the operator's manual right here. That was a joke, by the way. You got your charger. And what you all been waiting for? Cardboard. But in here is the actual saw. So I know this ain't the same size as a normal chainsaw, but you do want to make sure to put you some bar oil in there. And one thing that I think is very cool about this is that you can loosen and tighten the chain right here without a specific tool, which is pretty sweet in my opinion. You see it's got the guard right there, the hand guard, a clip, or where you could put your carabiner and stuff right here to hold on to it if you're pruning whatever. But yeah, it's actually pretty light. Let me put that battery in and see how light it is. I've never used one of these before, but I'm sure you could put the smaller or different batteries in there, maybe, if it'll fit. I don't know, but it's still pretty light, which is cool. Could come in handy doing things like crepe myrtles or butterfly bushes or whatever. But let's see, it's got 2 bars straight out of the box. So oh, that's cool. You forget when it's battery, once you let off the trigger, it's done for. It'll just stop. So and I told you to put bar oil in it, and I didn't. So good thing I caught that real quick. Put some bar oil in there, and then we're gonna go cut something. Now this little bush right here might be a little too small for a chainsaw, but this is a pruning saw, and I normally prune this bush. So let's see how it's gonna work right here. Yep, too small. We do not want to. One year I cut my pinky finger with a top handle saw trying to do that. So let's not be stupid about it, and let's go find something else. All right, let's try it on this butterfly bush. Normally cut this off at the ground because it is the easiest thing to do. And this is how much it grows in a year, because it's been about a year to the date that I've done this. too bad. And what I like about it is if you don't use a chainsaw very often, battery powered is kind of convenient, especially if you don't have non-ethanol gas stations around you, because you know ethanol can gum up your carburetors and stuff. And with this, there's no ethanol, so as long as you remember to charge your battery, you'll be good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button.